Okay, so write Arduino IDE on Google and then click on the first link, then scroll down and you will see Linux 64 bits. Click there and then you have to click on just download. Then download will get started. Then click on save file. Okay. So go to the download folder now. And this is the zipped version. So go to the terminal and go to download. Okay. So ls and see there is downloads folder is there. So you write cd download and ls. That means inside download folder that zipped file is there. So you have to unzip this file. So right click and extract here. Yes. So the unzip version has come. Again go to the terminal and from the terminal you have to ensure that the unzip version is there. Okay, so write ls. Yeah, so unzip version is also showing. This Arduino 1.8.8. So now you have to move this Arduino folder to opt. So now paste this to root and opt. Enter the password. Okay. So now inside download, the folder Arduino 1.8.8 is there. So the folder is already moved into the opt folder. Okay. Now you have to go to this Arduino 1.8.8 folder and you have to see the files inside this. Okay. So let us copy this. Copy. Okay. So now we are in the Arduino folder. So let us check the files. So if you write ls and these are the files present inside the Arduino folder. So to install.sh file are there. To uninstall this we should use uninstall.sh. So let us go to install.sh file using nano editor. Okay, so now there is some resource name, there is some line called resource name, and in the resource name it is written that Arduino IDE. We have to ensure that it should be written, whatever it is written, that is correct. Sometimes it is written Arduino IDE, so that is not correct. So if that is there, we have to change this. Okay, so already we are correct. So whatever it was written, that was perfect. So we don't need to change anything. So now let us install this. Okay, so for install we have to write /install.sh. Okay, so before this I have to give the permission actually, so otherwise it will not work. So for installation I have to give necessary permission to the file so that it gets installed. Your permission is given. So now I have to write /install.sh. Again enter. That's it, already it's installed. So that means Arduino IDE software has already been installed in this PC. So let us check. Let us go to the source and let us write Arduino. So okay, that's it. So this is the procedure how to install Arduino IDE.